Hello everyone. So for today we're going to make some clusters out of these pieces from my tags from the other day when we were doing them side tucks. I thought, ooh, this would be a fun idea. So this is what my template one is. And now we'll just start having a bit of an adventure with it. Again, I'm just going to grab pieces that are hanging out on my desk because why not? I think this is a great use of old pieces. Since we want this on this edge, it's easier to glue it and then stick it on. That, and then I like this little piece too. It's a sticker, but that's okay. Stickers can be cool too. To make a cluster. Then I was thinking maybe stick this piece behind it. Or actually in front of it. Yeah, we'll just stick it there. Again, I'm just taking pieces that are on my desk and just trying to use them accordingly to create cute little clusters. These clusters later on can be used on several different pieces. It don't have to be something like this. It could be anything. That, and let's glue this piece on here. Again, I'm just having a bit of fun with this. I'm not being too particular on how it's gonna look, but just make tiny clusters. Then maybe have something as a focal point right there. Let's see here. I'm just thinking. Something neutral. Like this small little flower. I do not like this one edge though, so I'm gonna get that edge a little bit nicer looking, and this edge a little nicer looking. And this is just a stamped image. So this is another little cluster. Again, they don't have to be perfect. They're just ways of using up your scraps that may be around your desk. I don't really like that one part of it either. This works. That, I really don't know what to do with that one piece. Let's see here. Again, I've kept every little bit here. Got that going. Now I'm thinking, because I want to, of course, incorporate this a part of other pieces here. Just quickly fussy cut this. So, just because I want to make this a part of my sewing journals. And actually, these could be itty bitty journal cards too, because I made them so small. They don't necessarily have to be a part of one thing or another. They can just be whatever you make of them. So I'm making myself a little piece here that's going to be a little label. I really don't like cutting this, but that's okay. Sometimes my corner chomper just isn't perfect, which is alright. Just a cute little label that's very plain but coffee dyed paper. So there we go. Just a cute little thing. There. Yes, I like saying cute today. Yeah, I'm just adding pieces to this. There's kind of no rhyme or reason to it other than to add things to it. But again, we can get through this rather quickly just by taking pieces and having fun with it. And I still have some of this left. Just trying to, again, use up what I have. Sitting around. I will be hopefully doing an organize with me soon, too. After I'm done with a few projects. I plan on doing that soon. But, yeah, you get the idea. And, again, you could have plain old cardstock and that has a number stamp on it, or use something like these time card pieces and cut it up into different directions. Sorry about the sneezes, but that could all be used to make pieces like what we just did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them is what I did. So again, it's just an idea. You don't have to do the same, but it's an idea just to see what you can come up with. If you have anything similar, or again, taking something as simple as a time card, or even cutting up like a file folder, or cardstock of some sort. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye!